everyone. Welcome to today's episode of A Piece of Life, which is a podcast powered by Brain to Body Revolution. Today, we are here with another wonderful discussion. So, thank you for being a part of it. So, I, Supriya Nehra, on behalf of Brain to Body, with my lovely co partner, Soumya, welcome each and every one of you. So, the thing that is going on in air is the B2B fasting program, Soumya.
Oh, wow. We are always up in the air for sure.
Yes, we are always up in the air. So there are people who are asking also that why, what happens for fasting? What happens with fasting? What we can actually get from fasting and all. So I was reading a book, Soumya, and I concluded this from that book that people nowadays we always have something to do, right? Either we are on phone or eating something or sleeping or doing anything, maybe walking or whatever, talking to friends. But did you ever get to talk with someone who is doing nothing at all at one point in time? No,
No,
right? Because
absolutely.
we are afraid of getting bored. We do not want to get bored.
Yeah. There's a famous quote that is making rounds also. The toughest thing to do is nothing, is what is going around actually.
Yes. And actually, this is the demand that do nothing for the God's sake for some time. So there was a psychologist. He was under training. He was in Sweden. He was under training under a guy, under again a psychologist. He asked his boss that let me just do something for you. Or what can I do? So boss ने उनको काम दिया कि आप ये काम करो. He said, okay, boss, I have just completed it. Let me give please give me some more. He said, अच्छा, do one thing, do nothing. He said, what? He said, हाँ, do nothing. Get yourself into the position where you are actually getting bored. So he was like his mind was completely in shock कि क्या मतलब मैं यहाँ पर आर्टिकलशिप करने आया हूँ what he is telling कि मुझे काम ही नहीं करना है. So then his boss actually explained to him what getting bored means. When you are getting bored or when you are on your own without any distraction means there is no phone, there is nothing, no, you're not reading any book, you're not eating anything, you're not sleeping, but you are on your own. So, I mean, that is the time that you get connected with yourself.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So that particular person then comes to know that yes, now and when then he actually gave him a task that okay, you are finding it difficult, na every day do that. So in fact, like with by inspired, actually I got inspired from this thing, and I have given this task to one of our clients also. So get bored for some time. So get connected with yourself. So
Yeah.
now this person got this task and he was doing it every day. He and with this process he actually came to know that how it is so important for us to get bored for some time, to do nothing.
Mm.
And if you really want to meet that inner self of yours who is actually confined in one place where you are very in, which is very vulnerable, you do not want to meet that person often. So
Mm.
that is the time you are actually you are telling yourself that no, I
Mm.
really want to meet that person. No one wants actually. हमको ना अपनी शक्ल को देख के मिरर के सामने तो फिर भी हम लोग रेडी होकर देख लेते हैं, बट
Mm.
when we are on your own, we are not ready only to meet ourselves.
Absolutely.
We'll
Yeah.
find some distractions. आजकल तो फोन है, फोन के अंदर इंस्टाग्राम देख लेंगे, ये कर लेंगे, कुछ खा के आते हैं, चलो जाके फ्रिज खोल के कुछ खा के आने, बोर हो रही हूँ, चलो चिप्स खा लेते हैं. तो ये वाला
Mm.
सिचुएशन आता रहता है,
Just
राइट.
need stimulation, right, left, and center, because we are in that generation where stimulation is the new normal. Like, if you're not stimulated enough, people, that's why they go for clubbing and bar and all these addictions.
Movies and everything, yeah.
Everything is because why? Because if the brain has gotten used to so much stimulation, uh, did you know that there's this children's cartoon called Coco Melon? Okay.
I'm not that cartoon
I
person.
came to know this because of this study of stimulation. Okay. There is this show called Coco Melon. This is for young toddlers. The people there who are designing this show, what do? They keep the babies in front of the show, and
Hmm.
whenever the baby gets distracted and plays with the toy, they make sure they change the scene,
Hmm.
so they're hooked onto.
Frequent pleasure. Hmm.
So that's how we are being trained for stimulation. Sorry, I cut into your topic, but yeah.
Yeah, that was very useful actually. It was actually to the point thing. It
Mm.
is actually so important that we should get connected with yourself, then with ourselves, then only we'll come to know about the thing that we really want. That is the purest and biggest form of self-love actually, Soumya.
Mm.
You get to know about yourself. So
Absolutely.
all these things happen because we are completely distracted all the time. Maybe we are fearful to meet ourselves, we're uncomfortable to meet ourselves, and that is why we'll look around for the things that we are, so that our minds gets distracted. So
Mm.
we might think that we are hungry, but the moment we feel uncomfortable, है ना, हम लोग जाके कुछ ना कुछ बिस्किट ढूंढेंगे, चिप्स ढूंढेंगे, या फिर फोन मिलाएंगे अपने फ्रेंड को. यू आर हंग्री, बट यू आर अवॉइडिंग दैट सिग्नल. यू आर गोइंग एंड कॉलिंग दैट पर्सन, है ना, कॉन्वर्सेशन को करना है. दैट इज एक्चुअली अ मिसिंग सिग्नल. दैट इज नॉट हंगर, बट यू आर जस्ट
Mm.
गेटिंग बोर्ड. And you
Mm.
do not want to get bored, you do not want to sit with yourself.
Mm.
So we are constantly consuming, and
Mm.
because being with ourselves feels very unfamiliar,
Yeah.
uncomfortable, you are
Mm.
not ready to see yourself, you are
Mm.
not open to yourself. So, what is the thing? Surest and fastest form of getting connected actually is when you are not stuffing yourself, not
Mm.
with so many thoughts, not with food and nothing else, not with the phone or anything.
Yeah.
So, fasting actually is removes, it removes that escape. You are not
Mm.
going to escape that feeling that you are hungry. You
Yeah.
have to sit with yourself. You have
Mm.
to control that. You have to learn to control that. You are not allowed to take anything. आप जितना ही कुछ कर लो, आपके
Mm.
मन के अंदर ना, आपके पेट के अंदर वो क्रम्बलिंग वाला साउंड आता रहेगा. तो you have to face that situation. That
Yeah.
is your reality.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that time, that moment, you are actually getting connected with yourself. So
Yeah.
when definitely when you eat less, when you know that the body's energy is getting conserved for the thinking process, for the mind process, so that time actually your body, or definitely we have discussed about autophagy a lot, you know, our
Mm.
body goes to repair, it comes to clarity, your brain
Mm.
starts to focus on one particular thing that time. Otherwise we are multitasking always na.
Yeah.
खाना भी खाते हैं तो कुछ देखते हुए खाना खा रहे हैं हम लोग, है ना, फोन पे बात करते करते खाना खा रहे हैं, किचन में खाना बना रहे हैं तो भी हमारे साथ कुछ चल रहा है, फिर ऑलवेज मल्टीटास्किंग. बट
Mm.
व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली गेटिंग बोर्ड, और व्हेन यू आर फास्टिंग, you do not have anything else. Your mind will go definitely to listen to that hunger feeling of your, when your, tummy is crumbling. So all that thing happens when you are fasting. That's why even scientists say that is the easiest way to get connected with yourself,
Bilkul. Yeah.
right?
Yeah. 100%. Yeah.
So Soumya, that day you also brought the topic, what kind of things happen biologically in your body, right? So definitely when something else is happening in your life, then your
Mm.
mind is getting distracted. So
Yeah.
अब कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा, आप खाना नहीं खा रहे हो, आप कुछ देख नहीं रहे हो, तो देर इज नो डोपामिन विच इज गेटिंग रिलीज फ्रॉम एनीवेयर.
Yeah.
डोपामिन नहीं है, नो कांस्टेंट रिवॉर्ड सिस्टम, किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे हो, कोई आपको वैलिडेट नहीं कर रहा है, सी प्रिया यू हैव डन दिस ग्रेट जॉब, और कुछ नहीं, वो नहीं कर रहा है. तो that time actually your awareness increases, because
Yeah.
you are cut from the outside world, you are in your inside world, you are feeling that hunger, so you are completely into it. अब हंगर को फील करने के लिए यू आर गिवन 5 सेंसेस, राइट? आपके पास ये
Mm.
5 सेंसेस है जिसके कारण आप उसको फील कर सकते हो. 5 में से हो सकते हैं 2 सेंसेस को आप इस्तेमाल करके अपने हंगर को फील करो. दैट इज
Mm.
कॉल्ड अवेयरनेस.
Yeah, absolutely.
And when you are aware, when you notice the thoughts that you are having, हम लोग जैसे लोगों को बोलते हैं, जब we ask people to sit with themselves, we tell them to write down their thoughts, कि उस समय आपके दिमाग में क्या क्या विचार आए थे. You are not going to stop your thoughts, but definitely you have to be aware कि क्या क्या thoughts आए हैं आपके पास, right? So वो
Mm.
awareness में जब आप वो thought रख, चाहे वो बुरा thought है, चाहे वो positive है, चाहे वो negative, it doesn't matter at all, but the thoughts have come. So now then you can check that what kind of thoughts are coming to your mind. If that you are hungry and क्या वो thought आपको ऐसा बोल रहा है कि you should go and eat something, है ना वो. तो ये सारे thoughts है, या फिर कुछ ऐसा debilitating thought भी आता है ना आपको, कि
Mm.
यार this is something that I cannot do maybe, या
Mm.
this project is not for me, I cannot do this, या that इतना पैसा मैं कहाँ से लाऊंगी, आई एम नॉट इनफ इन दिस. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ऑल these patterns you can easily make out when you sit with yourself in hunger. That is when you are fasting. So
Yeah.
you are not just cleaning your body, you are cleaning your mind, and you're getting more clarity, because you can definitely, जिस तरह से कहते हैं ना कि हंस के बारे में कहा जाता है कि वो दूध और पानी को ना सौम्य अलग अलग कर सकता है. So
Yeah.
that way, when you're fasting, you can definitely clarify which are the thoughts which are actually debilitating to you and which are actually responsible for your growth. You can identify those patterns also. कि हाँ,
Absolutely.
अच्छा ये अभी हो रहा है, ये तो मेरे साथ पिछली बार भी हुआ था. वेरी इजी इट बिकम्स व्हेन यू आर फास्टिंग एंड व्हेन यू आर इन विद योरसेल्फ. जब आप अपने साथ नहीं होंगे तब आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई ओनली ना. आप खाते,
Mm.
जस्ट सपोज कि यू आर ईटिंग ईटिंग ईटिंग, यू डू नॉट नो ओनली कि आपने क्या खाया है, किस चीज का टेस्ट आ रहा है, क्या आपका सिनेमन का टेस्ट आ रहा है, क्या नहीं यार, कुछ भी आपको पता ही नहीं चला. तो आपने देखा ही क्या फिर उस समय पे.
Yeah.
So now the people, जब I was asking some of my clients also, तो हम जब पूछ रहे थे उन्होंने बताया कि नो व्हाट प्रिया, आई ईट व्हेन आई एम बोर्ड. जब मैं बोर होती हूँ तब मुझे कुछ खाने का मन करता है. और पीपल डू ना, जब भी कोई फेलिसिटेशन होगा, कोई सेलिब्रेशन होगा, दैट टाइम वी गो एंड ईट समथिंग.
Mm.
जरूरी थोड़ी है कि हम किसी भी सेलिब्रेशन को खाने के साथ ही हम लोग उसको जोड़ के रखें, खाने के साथ ही हम सेलिब्रेशन को करें, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है. बट
Yeah.
वी नीड दैट टाइम टू गेट दैट किक.
Mm.
And that is also a distraction which is keeping you away from your inner world.
Yeah.
And why this awareness is important, Soumya, you know this now, ki why this awareness is important, why it is important to meet your inner self, why it is important, your sense.
It's the basis of your existence.
Mm-hmm.
You don't, when you are aware of yourself, whoever
Mm.
you are, whatever you are, you feel like you've conquered life. You can live it more meaningfully, in more fullness. And also, you don't have to go looking for answers anywhere. It comes from within, and that is the answer that you want, and you can live a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Ultimately, you want that itself. All this chase after money, materialistic things, all this is for what? To live a better and fuller life, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if you can get it from within, if the well is within, you can dig into it anytime, right? And you can water yourself. So
Yeah.
that's my
That
metaphorical
is
name.
self watering, that is self watering, that you do not have to go anywhere to ask for your queries and ask for
Yeah.
your to gather solutions for your problems. You will be getting everything within. Other way also, you get so much clarity when you are aware ki, just suppose you have got a goal and
Mm,
you want to look for the path to go towards that goal, right?
mm,
That goal yourself will go, the goal itself will chase you when you all be identify कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए इस वक्त. आपके
mm,
दिमाग में वो थॉट्स पूरी तरह से क्लियरली आते जाएंगे. योर प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स will be so active that it will be able to figure out that I want to do this and this is the path that I should follow,
yeah,
right? So
yeah,
that is the observation that your mind will be able to observe. Otherwise it will be confused कि मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, ये करना है. No. But when you are sitting with yourself, when you are in awareness, that time your mind will know that you completely, it will be clear that yes, this is the path, and then he'll take that. And if
mm,
at all you are not getting success in that path, then
you'll
also it's
be
okay.
okay.
It's
Mm,
again, it will again sit with itself, and then it will find out क्या, ठीक है, this was an experience, ये experience मुझे हुआ, then let me just go and check the other one.
yeah, yeah,
This is the kind of tranquility and calmness you get when you are with yourself.
yeah,
And that is why this kind of tapasya was being done by the people who were saints and monks and all that. Even the scientists, as we discussed in the last to last episode, maybe the scientists, the philosophers, and the spiritual saints and all, they always used to do this fasting only because they could sit with themselves more and they could find out the resolutions of the various problems. See,
exactly,
monks के पास so many people will flock around कि मेरे को ये problem है, ये problem. What they'll say कि शांत, let me just sit with myself first.
exactly.
He'll wait for seclusion, then will sit with himself, and then he'll give the exam, the resolutions and all.
Yeah,
So that feeling can be generated in you with the help of fasting, which is very easily. That is the actually easiest and surest way to get
Mm.
into the reasons of why you are there and what you want in your life. And then when you have a goal set and you have this defined goals, that these are my goals, automatically when you are fasting with this clarity, you will be
Mm.
knowing the pathway, the road map to go and achieve that goal.
Yeah, bilkul. I agree with you 100%. Absolutely, no doubt about that.
So this is so beautiful when it happens actually. Then you realize that you do not need to escape the problems of life. You can easily handle the discomfort because now
Mm.
you know that hunger is a discomfort. Definitely, it's a discomfort to your system because definitely in the first second days you will be experiencing the glucose level will be less, so your body will be kind of struggling to get that glucose, right? वो आपके हंगर में आपका हंगर एक्चुअली नहीं होगा, that is a habit that your body is actually used to get that that glucose from elsewhere.
Mm.
So
Hard.
you will learn that also because that time maybe your mind will also थोड़ा सा आपको गिडीनेस होगा या शरीर को आपको भूख लगी क्योंकि वो यूज टू, वो हैबिट है उस ग्लूकोज का आपको, तो आपने
Mm.
उसको सीख लिया, आपको
Yeah.
ये पता चल गया कि आपने उसको कंट्रोल कैसे करना है, तो
Mm.
आप लाइफ में बहुत अच्छे डिसीजंस ले सकोगे, आपके रिश्ते बहुत अच्छे होंगे, यू
Mm.
आर डिसाइडिंग दैट यस आई वांट टू बिकम दिस, आई वांट टू बिकम एन एस्ट्रोनॉट मे बी, सो you will be having actually the entire roadmap to go for that particular
Mm.
course. So
Yeah.
that way you'll get lot more clarity. So that
Yeah.
is why Pythagoras also asked the students
Mm.
to come and fast, then only you can be my student, so that way. So
Yeah. Yeah.
that way it is so important for us. so
Yep.
what do you conclude, Soumya, out of this talk?
Um, my conclusion is pretty simple. As for your finding, Supriya, that awareness is key to life. Being There's another word for awareness, that is consciousness, right? Like you're living with consciousness. So that is the key to life. If you really want to understand and get clarity in your life as to who you are, what you are supposed to be doing. If anybody has any stress, like anything related to life stress, you have to develop this awareness within you, consciousness within you. And one of the best ways to do it is fasting. Fasting is something that will train you, it will teach you how to become aware, and that will give you a lot of answers in your life. You will no longer feel the burden of living this life. You will be enjoying the life as you sail through it.
So Soumya, if I ask you a question, the dash is the fastest way to meet yourself.
Fasting.
So it rhymes, it homonyms. So fasting is actually the fastest way to meet yourself.
Yeah.
So guys, if you really, really want to meet yourself, meet your inner self, then do not wait anymore because day after tomorrow, that is on 19th, the Brain to Bodies, very popular spring fast manifestation program is starting, so you can get enrolled into that and you can experience the pleasure of being with yourself, experience the pleasure of having full consciousness consciously. We are waiting for you, for your consciousness to come and meet us here at Brain to Body Revolution.
Nice,
Okay.
Ritik. Nice, nice. I love this word game. Okay.
Yes, so I love to play with words actually, so yeah.
All right. All right. So, yeah, guys. So, three things that you have to do: subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, if you like the content. Second, drop us a comment about what you liked in this and was your takeaway. And also, if you want to do the fasting program, just comment fast and we will send you the details. And third thing, and the most important thing, is send this to one of your beloved or someone who needs to understand, who has any misclarity or doesn't know about
Mm.
fasting. So you can be the source of inspiration to that person when you send this link to them. It was so pleasure. Thank you, Supriya, for connecting one more dot in fasting. And we have now, I think, essentially covered every aspect of fasting.
Yes, and we have made a playlist also in the channel. So,
Oh, wow.
guys, yeah, you can just log into that playlist and you can get all the researches done We have done the researches, and you can work on yourself. You can find it out. And if absolutely everything is there in that playlist, you can go and watch and clarify all your doubts. And you will, after knowing that and after doing your due research, you just come to us. We are there to help you out in this journey, where we will help you to empower yourself, and you will be aligning your body, mind with your consciousness. So get charged, guys. Thank you so much for listening. You're the
Thank
best.
you, guys.
Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow with a new, completely new topic. Thank you so much.